I got it. Check this out right here. The chatbot inside of Instagram, right? How do I book an appointment? Boom. I'm going to go ahead and submit. And let's see what we got. Come on, Square Salon. Tell me something. There it is right there. It even gives us a URL. Eager to add some sparkle to your hair routine? Booking an appointment with us is as easy as brush through luxurious locks. You can secure your spot by giving us a ring at this number or visiting our website. Not only do I got it on the Instagram, but check this out. If I come over here to Messenger, what is the price of a men's cut? Let's go ahead and hit return. Let's see what Messenger is going to give me. Come on, baby. What do we got? Don't leave me hanging. What do we got here? There it is. The price for a men's cut at our salon is $40 and up. Treat yourself to a stylish haircut that will leave you looking sharp and feeling confident. Need to make an appointment? Visit our website. And that's not all. What if I told you we also got it over here on WhatsApp? I'm going to go ahead and hit return. What are your hours? And I have a feeling that WhatsApp's going to tell me Monday through Friday with Sunday closed. And what do we got here? Look at this. At Square Salon, we dance through the week with these fantastic hours to ensure your hair journey is nothing short of fabulous. Monday through Friday, Saturday 8 a.m., 7 p.m., and Sunday closed. Hi there, my name is Chad Nicely, having some fun with AI chatbots, almost killing myself in the process and completely out of breath after doing that 100 different times. But look, this right here, this is nothing to laugh about. There's a lot of power and opportunity with these incredible AI chatbots. And it's true that we have figured out how to deploy the AI chatbots to all the Meta properties. I'm talking about Messenger, Instagram, as well as WhatsApp. And it really is one simple click. Nothing confusing, nothing overwhelming, no complicated software. It is very, very easy. I'm going to demonstrate that to you here in a minute, but it gets even better than that, because what if I told you this incredible app that is actually Meta approved? We're also able to go out there and build these little powered chatbots in about 2 minutes or less and deploy them to the Meta properties in the same 2 minutes. Now, I know you might be thinking, no, that can't happen. There's no freaking way that you can go out there and build a chatbot like that, or that anybody could build a chatbot that fast. Well, I'll tell you what, I'm going to head over to my computer and I'm going to prove to you that this can be done. And then I'm going to come back and I'm going to talk about the opportunity of a lifetime, because look, AI is where it's at for 2025, right? It's time for you to pay attention. And these simple little chatbots that you're going to be able to crank out in 2 minutes or less are exactly the opportunity of a lifetime. I'll be back in a minute.
Hi and welcome to AIBot Studio. In this video, we're going to have a quick run through of setting up your first bot. So here I am logged into AIBot Studio in the main admin area, and you'll notice under my bot library, I currently have no bots set up whatsoever. This is actually my first time using this, so you're going to see me set up a bot from scratch for the first time. I have watched Chad run through it live, but I've never done it before, so you can see how easy it is starting from scratch, never having done it before. So before we set up our first bot, we do need to run through a couple of other steps. The first is to set up our API keys with OpenAI. The next will be to create the assistant for the bot. So there's a master brain behind the bot itself. Then we will actually come back to the bot library and create our bot itself. Okay, let's first of all go to API keys. Now I've already put my API key in here, but basically what you need to do is head over to OpenAI and go to platform.openai.com, click on the settings here and go to API keys, and then click on create new secret key. And all you need to do is give it a name and select project, which can be default, leave it as all. And then this will allow you to actually set up your new API key as I've done here. You copy the secret key that it gives you, you head back to API keys within AIBot Studio, and there'll be a button to allow you to add your API key, and you just paste in the API key and give it a name. So remember what the name is, because we're going to use that in the assistant creator. So it's a very simple process, and you do only need to do that once. So let's head to the assistant creator. Now the first one I'm going to create is going to be called Digital Product Creator and Digital Marketing Expert. Now the bot that I create will be for use on my own pages and stuff, so it will have information about my products and support and things like that. But the background assistant is going to be a digital product creator and digital marketing expert. Then we choose whether we're going to use the admin account or our own account. Now the admin account means if you don't have your own API, you can use that. I do have my own API, so I'm going to use mine by choosing AIBot Studio MacG, which is the one that we just set up. So I'm going to scroll up a bit so you can see more what's going on. Next thing we need to do is choose our AI model. So in this case, I'm going to go with GPT-4 as it's the most recent of these. Then we can choose a tone for our expert assistant. Let's go with educational, but obviously you can choose any of these, whatever's going to suit best for what you're going to use this assistant for or this bot for. But I'm going to choose educational. Then you have the option of choosing a ready expert, the ones that were already created for you in the system, or we can put in a search term, which is what I'm going to do in a moment, or you can start from blank, which allows you to paste in the full bot instructions or assistant instructions down here in the field below. If you want to use one of the ready experts, then simply choose a category to start off with. So let's go with technology and digital. And then under that, you have the different types of experts available. So e-commerce specialist, graphic designer, email marketing specialist, etc. And right now there are over 100 available across these different categories, but we are building this out and adding even more. So business and entrepreneurship, you have startup advisor, franchise consultant, dropshipping expert, product development consultant, all sorts of different options. Each of these has 10 different options available. So each one you can go through and have a look and find something that suits your particular site or your particular product or offer. And as I said, there are 100 already in there, and we're going to be adding lots more to make life really simple and quick for you. However, I'm not going to go with a ready expert. I'm going to go with a search term. And for the search term, I'm going to basically put in what I put in for the name at the top, and then I'm going to click on generate instructions, and it will start working away and creating the instructions down below. So you can see it doing it live, and it's creating the instructions for this assistant for me as I go. So you can see how quick and easy it is to get this done, and it's almost there. Scroll on down. It does come up with a very detailed instructions for this assistant to make sure that it is high quality bot and the information that you're giving is really good. Okay, so that's it done. Let's scroll back up to the top. And now all I need to do is click on Create Assistant. So that is our assistant created, and I can head back to my bot library to create my first bot. Okay, so I'm going to click on Create Bot. I'm going to give my bot a name. In this case, it's going to be Matt Garrett Digital Product Creator Bot. And I'm simply going to pop in a description saying Digital Product Creator and Digital Marketing Expert for Matt Garrett's products and offers. Click on Save Changes. We now have our first bot in the bot library, so let's click on the 3 icons here to come in and edit our chatbot and make changes to it to make sure it's a fully blown AI bot ready to use. So next I'm going to put in my chatbot headline. Then I'm going to put in my chatbot description, which will be learn more about Matt Garrett's products and offers, as well as how to get support or contact Matt. Let's scroll up a bit because we've got some extra information to go in. And then I'm going to pop in some greeting text. Welcome to Matt Garrett's AI Helper Bot. And a user input placeholder just to prompt people to make sure they're answering the question or asking what they need to know. Now you'll notice below there is a default disclosure message ready for you, but obviously you'll be able to get in and change that if you need to put more information in. Now if I scroll further down the page, you can see what the bot currently looks like. So here we've got the details that we've popped in, the welcome message, and the question prompt in the field for us. So let's scroll back up. The next thing we need to do is click on Save Settings to make sure we've got that saved. And now let's go into the AI assistant to choose the assistant that we set up previously. Now, if you remember, I didn't choose the admin account, I chose my own account. And once that comes up, we'll then have a list of the assistants that we've created ourselves in our own account. I've only got one, you saw me create it, Digital Product Creator and Digital Marketing Expert. And having chosen that, again, we can see all the instructions for that bot down here. So having made those changes, let's again click on Save Settings. Now let's head over to the quick buttons just to set up some easy quick buttons for people to use. And if they don't appear straight away when you come into the screen, just switch the radio button on and they will appear. So let's go through and assign some quick buttons. I'm going to keep these really simple. They are just to give people a prompt of what they can be looking for or what they can be chatting to the bot about. So I'm going to go with contact, support, offers, and I'm going to add an additional one, which will be coaching, just in case anybody is interested in my coaching. So again, once you've set up those quick buttons, click on Save Settings. And if I scroll down again so you can see the bot itself, this is what it'll look like. You've got those 4 quick buttons at the bottom. You can have 1, 2, 3, 4, as many as you want.